Welcome to this episode of TrueBit TV. This little berry from this bush, will it be the cause of a full stomach or the cause of a plump stomach? That's a great question. The same question could be asked of our little friend, RAID. Is RAID our friend or is RAID now our enemy? On this episode of Battle of the Bloggers, we've got 4 bloggers to discuss that topic on what this episode is called, well, we call it Bleep RAID. Our topic today is the death of RAID. And
long overdue.
Long overdue.
Yeah, seriously, RAID.
All right, and with that,
somebody had to say it.
So let's talk about it. So you've blogged about this.
Every once in a while, yeah.
Every once in a while.
Yeah.
So what's the RAID has served us for ever since it used
decades.
It used to be inexpensive for the eye, right?
Right.
And then it might independent, right?
Because all discs became inexpensive.
Right. So, but it served us for a long time. But what's the big deal? Why is RAID an issue?
Well, the real issue is around using SATA drives for RAID. And the bit error rate, the unrecoverable read error rate on SATA drives is high enough that once you get up to like 2, 3, and now we're about to have 4 terabyte drives, SATA drives, that if you've got like a 7 drive RAID strike and you lose a drive and then you attempt to rebuild, the chances of an unrecoverable read error on a RAID 5 strike are so high that chances are you're going to have to go to your backup. And you do have a backup, right?
Yeah, RAID is not backup.
RAID is not backup. It is merely a tool to help you keep accessing your data in case of a failure. But RAID 5 is not set up to handle 2 failures. It only handles 1. And so with the bit error rates on SATA drives, what they are, the chances are very good you will have a second failure during your rebuild, and then all bets are off.
So, well, then we'll just install RAID 6.
Right, and RAID 6 will stop working in another 6 or 7 years.
Well, we never fix any problems in IT. We just move them. So
right.
We can move it out 5 or 6 years.
Right.
Well, like some file systems like ZFS. So Solaris had ZFS and Oracle and Solaris, but they had the ZFS file system, which you can get in FreeBSD and some other operating systems now, that do that error detection on the file system itself. So you build they call them Z-pools. And you can...
Is that a French thing? Z-pool?
Z-pool.
Okay.